initially chose Will Excel because I am from Australia, it is the opposite of my country, being hot to cold. I found the most info about it online as well, and the in-depth description of both what I would be studying, the duration of my stay, and because it was sponsored, which means I didn't have to pay for the TESOL course, or TESOL course as I call it. And I was covered, and it was a Canadian-owned company, therefore it wasn't such a culture shock when I went to China. What did I learn from the course? I learned two things, big things, basics of teaching and to get over a fear of public speaking, which were the two big ones which I learned in the course. Also brushing up on all my grammar was a good thing as well, as I hadn't studied in a while. Would I recommend Will Excel? Yes, I think it's a good transition into China. It's not such a culture shock because your managers are basically all Western. Your accommodation's paid for, you don't have to struggle around trying to do that stuff. Your food is accounted for. So it was a smooth transition to China. What advice would I give to others thinking of taking the course? Your first class is probably going to suck. Don't stress out too much. It's a bit difficult. Your nerves will get the better of you, but you'll be alright by the next one.